Hello guys! Every day is Ginger National Day. Even every week and every month and every year. Actually, we might start next year. So be ready for do some cool stuff. Okay, so today guys, we're gonna learn about space. Space is like the national day. Space has 8 planets. Let me name 3 of them. One is Jupiter, a big orange yellowish planet. 2, Neptune, a blue whitish planet. And 3, Saturn, got a ring on it. Don't forget the moon. The moon is the most coolest planet, not ever, but Saturn is. Maybe Uranus is too, and the Pluto is the smallest one. Pluto, like Pluto the dog, Mickey's dog, but it's named as a planet, a very small one. So this is the moon right here. Venus looks kind of like the moon, but it's not like that much. But when you go on top of the moon, you can like see craters and stuff. Craters are like big holes in the moon. You might like see them from a distance of Earth using a telescope. Telescope is like used for a lens. So to like see better and see, and can zoom in on the moon, close to the moon. Maybe inside the moon too. Well, now for the next planet image. Venus is next. But unfortunately, Venus is not ever like a moon. But we can call it an orange moon for Venus. Well, it's actually called Venus, but yeah, this is what Venus looks like, an orange crystal moon. I mean planet, whatever, planet or moon. I mean, yeah. Venus, I don't know what it looks like inside Venus. And the color of Venus looks like Mars. So I might do Mars next after this one. So Venus, that's like a, maybe it's like a little more bigger than the Earth maybe. Yeah, the Earth. And the Earth is we live. Unlike Venus, where somebody else lives. Maybe the aliens live there, and like more. But I don't know what's inside Venus. Maybe next time we can see what's inside Venus and the other planets if we don't know about Mars too. The next image. So guys, I don't know if this is any true about me. Okay, so Venus is like also called maybe medium orange moon crystal. I know I will call it that. I want to sorry guys, something happened. Okay guys, so now we're going to the next image.
Ginger, get off of there, silly Ginger. Okay, fine. I'll get off of the planet. I want to just get off of the planet anyway. Okay, guys. Now it's time to learn about Mars. Mars is like a reddish, orangish planet. It might be very hot there. Even the sun. The sun and Mars may be hot, and proceed with caution. Mars is the Mars is like the reddish and orangish planet ever in the solar system. So the solar system, it has like 8 planets, and got those 2. There's like one little. That one little circle, and then there's like a much bigger circle around it. You know what that picture? Picture in your brain about that. I'll give you some time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, guys. Now we're going to see what's in Mars. Mars feels maybe hot. I don't know how Mars feels, but there might be still craters there too. Craters like Moon and Mars, maybe other planets have that too. But Saturn is the coolest. Saturn has a ring around itself. Do you know that? Jupiter is the biggest, and Jupiter is like the biggest planet. So now we're going to talk about Jupiter and the other cool planets in the whole solar system ever. Time ready to learn about all these talking words? Okay. So get ready to learn about these special planets. Okay, we're going to start this. Here we go. I'm going to time it. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, guys, I'm sorry for our other voice record thing. Now we're going to talk about the 3 special planets: Saturn, Jupiter, and Uranus. Okay, here we go. So Saturn is like a planet, has like rings around it. It's got cool rings of ice. Ice is like a type of liquid that is freezed by freeze. Now we're talking about Jupiter. You know why I got Jupiter on here? Jupiter is the biggest planet ever to be found. Jupiter is like got to be the king of the star of like this planet. Unless for whatever, 610, that might be bigger than it, but it might be the biggest thing that ever found. Now it's time for Uranus. Uranus is like the same thing as Saturn. Uranus also got a ring of ice, maybe, but I don't know. Do these rings have ice, Saturn and Uranus? So guys, inside Saturn, there's like crystals, like you're like rolling on roads, and then like Uranus is like maybe like a little bit different. Bye bye.